Hello, everyone. Today, or not today, well, whatever day it is you're watching, um, is a very special day in uploading because this is, uh, what I have created is, or I've started to create is, it's awesome. It's something I've never seen done before. Um, I don't know how many of you have seen my video on this machine here. This is a broken version because it's an older map. But if you want to know more about it, just probably a link will pop up in the description or somewhere. Just look at my channel, you'll find it. It's interesting. That's like 3 years old. Anyway, the main point of making this video is I want to show what can be done with Redstone, but not digitally, if you know what I mean. This is in no way a computer that uses lines of code or any of that really weird, complicated stuff. Some people it's easy as hell, but to me I kind of feel like that's almost too difficult. Like, if I'm just your average Minecraft user and I'm trying to, use some really awesome computer someone has made and spent hours on, I'm just going to get foiled in my attempts because of the fact that it's just too complicated. I don't know how to program it. Do I have to learn how to do that? No. So, this is more intended for people who just want to download a map of some form that uses this sort of, I guess you could say, architecture of computer, and just play around with it, do whatever they want, put it on their servers, and just have fun. Basically like Apple mentality, plug it in and go. So yeah, this is actually a later recorded video. The next couple of clips, the rest of the videos should just be older stuff, because I have nearly finished this. There should be a link in the description or something. If you got this right, I've uploaded it. It might not be on there, but regardless, yeah, I probably should just skip ahead to those. Yep. Oop, did not mean to do that. In case you don't already know, this is a computer. I was kind of compelled to build this because I've seen plenty of others on YouTube where there are all these really like heavy calculators and all kinds of program intensive stuff you can make, but no, get off. Yeah, you better run. Get out of here. Jeez. Gonna ruin my machine before I even get to the show. Alright, oh. Anyways, I wanted to make something that was much more user-friendly and could just be like copy-pasted in servers with Bucket or something, and you could put it wherever you wanted. And just have like a little easy-to-use computer underground in your backyard, I guess. Now maybe I'll show what it can do later. I'll just show some of the hardware. Oh yeah, back to hardware again. This is my mouse sort of controller. I've also not seen other things that are like mice or more mechanical things in computers. It's always like you have to program something. I find it much easier for myself to make it more mechanical, so I can just do things like this. So you have like a mouse thing that you can move around, and it'll lots of features. Just lots of backstory I could really go into, but I'm not going to go into. For example, these right here, they look. If I gave you designs, or if you just, I'll hover over them. Copy them now. Copy them now. These were a pain in the butt for me to figure out. If you can shrink them, that'd be amazing. Because I didn't want to bother shrinking it. Let's look under here for a second, and you'll see why I was very frustrated. All these craters are from failed attempts of making this. Those the blue things. That's a failed attempt. That's a failed attempt. I should blow those up. And over here was my epiphany. I didn't even change it at all because I was so happy that it even worked. So I copied it perfectly over here. Not with an actual copy tool, which I really want, but I don't have. So yeah, this was also really interesting to figure out. Good luck if anyone else can figure this out on their own without, no plans. If I unintentionally copied someone, I'm sorry, but I'm better than that. So maybe it's just a little sample. I ran into problems with the fact that if I just use repeaters to turn off these torches here, like coming from both ways, it actually, back it up there. Sorry, let me explain a bit more in depth. The way I decided to make the mouse. Nope, you gotta die. Nope, I've had enough. I've had enough. This is not funny. It's not funny. Yeah. See how that works? Yeah, see I did. No, shut up. So yes, this is gonna be the home screen, which I guess I have to show it off to do it. This is the mouse. Oh. No, hold on. I'm turning off this music. It's bothering the hell out of me. There we go. Sorry. Where was I? I was talking about the mouse. Yes. So, as I said earlier, when your charge is at a certain place and you press the click button, when I click it, because I'll blow it up, it will send a charge to all those things to check and see if one of them is on, and if the one is on, it'll pass through and it will activate whichever corresponding, I guess you could say, memory or slide it is. And a slide is, see this right here, those things are part of, oh my goodness gracious, how many times am I, oh, I see how it is. Nope, I'm not taking any chances. Anyway, so when I move my cursor, 1, 2, 3, 4. It does a little slow, but I mean, for this sort of simplicity and what it has a capability of doing, that's pretty darn good. It's Minecraft. Give it a break. And if we right-click that while it was, oh, I went to the wrong place. I haven't actually done anything yet. No. I had to realize what was going on there for a second. I thought this had broken. Go down once more, twice more, so now we should be at the bottom left corner. And so yes, you right click, and it would select one of those things and move up to the next slide, which could be another menu or more files or more whatever. I have no idea, maybe a game or something. Again, I kind of built a limited screen so I could just do something very, very, very basic and simple you could just use to maybe do a paint or maybe Word document. There's, I don't know how the hell you get 26 letters on this damn thing. I'm making myself sound bad. Anyway, let's show a couple more features here. I'm not sure, this is actually something that just kind of was innately came with this, or was just very fortunate that this happened to work for me and it didn't blow up in my face. But because of the way I designed my mouse to work, if I go to an edge like so, and I try to go right, I do not teleport across. Well, I guess that would have been a good thing. I don't know. Put in comments if I should make the mouse go from the right to the left side. That'd just kind of be annoying to me. I like it when it's more kind of OCDing, I guess, one way. Okay, and one major, oh geez, I almost forgot. What I wanted to be able to do is would have it so you could select an internet sort of page, like I had over here previously, which is why I built next to it, haha. Yeah. Here's some more stuff. It looks really cool, but it's just stupid and boring. I hated it. I messed it up 10 times. I wanted to have it so you could receive, you could click on a thing and start receiving messages from, not necessarily a server, but from something that outputs a daily message. And your computer can access that whenever it pleased. It wouldn't be like this thing right here, which I'm sure maybe whoever's watching this probably also has seen, or have no idea how it would work, or just how you could specify. I need some real actual decoding. I don't know why I call this a decoder, an encoder. All it does is just extract, an extractor and unextractor, I guess, data from a line. I'd actually need something to have a decoder. It'd be slow as hell, but if you could put something in a certain code, maybe like 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 at the most, you could, I want to have it so you'd have an option to send a signal to